What's up YouTube? Matt Vogt, call sign Jerry. The last couple of videos we learned how AI learns with supervised learning and unsupervised learning. I don't have any favorite algorithms, but my favorite way of teaching AI is reinforcement learning. Do you remember that one time that humans said there was no way AI was able to do stuff? Well, reinforcement learning is behind many of those breakthroughs, and every day there's less and less that humans maintain dominance in. Near the end of this video, I'll show you some crazy examples of AI dethroning humans in dominant areas. Stick around for about 2 minutes, this stuff is great. Just like reinforcing learning in a dog, interesting behaviors result when you reward good behavior and punish bad behavior. The same training can and is being done with AI in very powerful ways. In reinforcement learning, the artificial intelligence learns in an interactive environment through trial and error, using reinforcement loops from its own actions. The AI agent takes some action in its environment which either improves or degrades its score or chance of winning. That behavior is reinforced or dampened so that it is more or less likely to take that action in the future. While supervised learning and unsupervised learning try to find similarities in data, reinforcement learning teaches an AI to maximize its cumulative reward. The main things needed to train AI using this learning style are an interactive environment, the ability for that AI to sense that environment, a reward function creating feedback, and an AI's ability to act in this environment. All right, enough talk, Jerry. You promised us great AI victory. Why, yes I did. In 2013, Q Learning learned to play and defeat some of the most classic games like Breakout, Space Invaders, Pong, and Q*bert. Yes, I realize that Atari is old, but these are great environments for AI to learn, mainly because there's a score to be optimized. Even if the AI knows nothing about the game, not even the rules, it can just see the pixels on the screen and learn to increase its score. After 2 hours of training, the AI is getting pretty good, right? This is probably my level of play after about 2 hours, right? But wait, now after the AI has about 4 hours of training, this is just after 4 hours, it learns it can maximize its score by digging a hole in the corner of the bricks to keep the ball in the air, just pinging off the bricks. This is incredible. It doesn't even know what a ball or a brick are, but it's able to perform at such a superhuman level. In 2013, this paper used reinforcement learning on 7 games. In 2015, Q Learning could defeat professional gamers at 49 Atari games. Breakout isn't very hard though. Of course AI can beat it. Well, how about Dota 2? How about StarCraft 2? These are the most complex games we have, kids. They require long time horizon planning, large action space, we're talking more options per move than all the stars in the universe, and partially observable environments. These games demonstrate one more strength of reinforcement learning, learning to balance the exploration of uncharted behavior and the exploitation of knowing what works. Click above to watch my in-depth coverage of OpenAI defeating the world champs OG. AI has moved from defeating Atari games to defeating the most complex games humans have in 6 years. Astounding. Click here to watch DeepMind's AlphaStar crushing Team Liquid's TLO and Mana. What is reinforcement learning possible of when we take these lessons of awesomeness in complex simulation environments and we apply them in the real world? Man, I'm glad you asked. Thanks, Johnny. Here's a brief example. The same DeepMind AI that beat Atari, these lessons were applied to Google's data center's intense cooling requirements. Using reinforcement learning, DeepMind was able to, quote, consistently achieve 40% reduction in the amount of energy used for cooling. That is huge. Just think how huge this is in terms of dollars and environmental impact. This is great stuff. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Do both and you'll get a reward of some awesome bite-sized AI. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. This is Jerry. See ya.